In this video, we will tell you about tags. Tags are a powerful way to categorize and mark articles to help you find the things you need quickly. We will go to our resources page and click on an article. And you will notice at the bottom of the article, there is a shaded box. And in this shaded box, you will see some highlighted links. These are called tags. First of all, this article is tagged in the June 2019 section, and if you were to click on that link, it would take you to the articles that are only in the June 2019 section. It's also tagged in the 400 to 499 words section. If you were to click on that, it would open up all the articles on the site that are in that size range. It's also tagged with the categories of subjects of benevolence and giving. If you were to click on those, you would get articles that were also tagged in that way. And you can also click on the author down here and pull up a page that only has articles written by him. These tags are powerful ways for you to search for what you need on the Bulletin Digest website.